Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is a new episode going to start, which is about basic UI testing technique using Selenium WebDriver. It means next few lecture, we're going to see different technique that we're going to use for doing different UI or functional testing. Okay, very basic functional testing. Like example, in this lecture, we're going to see the navigation methods in Selenium. Like inside a navigation, it means when you open a browser, you can use navigate to land on a page, and you can go back, use a navigate back, to go back to the previous page or the forward page using the forward method. Similarly, in a upcoming few lecture, you will see different other scenario that very common across any web application, like a static drop down, dynamic drop down. There's a radio button, checkbox, typing in a text box, and so on. Okay, so let's start. In this lecture, we're going to cover navigation method in Selenium. So let's go to our Eclipse. So we're here. Let's create a method. Let's we're going to create a class. Let's create a class over here. Source new class. Then we'll give a name class, say navigation test. Navigation test. Okay. So this is a class name. Let's select that's a public static void main. So this is a new class has been created. And what are going to test? We're going to test. So first we'll go to the google.ca. Okay. And then we'll go to codeinbox.automationlab.com. Then if we use this arrow over here, the browser arrow, if we click on the, the back one, it will take me to us again in google.ca. Then if we click on forward, it will take us back again to the Codeinbox Automation Lab. So first we'll land on a Google CA, and then we'll get the title from this page. Then we'll navigate to Codeinbox Automation Lab, and then we'll take the title from this page. And then we'll use the navigate back to CA. Again, we'll take the title for the second time. Then again, we'll use the forward to land on back to the Codeinbox Automation Lab, and we'll get the title for the second time. Okay, so that's pretty much the use case. We'll see the navigation different method that will take you back and forth in different pages. It's very simple. Okay, so first we'll land on over here. Okay, so as usual, so we create a class which give a name, navigation test, and if we use, I'm going to copy the very common the lines related with the new Chrome driver. So we'll see in Chrome, we can run on even Firefox. Okay, let's copy this 3 common line. So as you know, create a object of Chrome driver, then WebDriver driver, then land on. We're going to remove the landing page here to google.ca. So this is the google.ca. So land on first as usual, and then we're using a driver.manage windows to maximize the window. Okay, so first thing first, so after we land on google.ca, we'll get the title for this page, and we'll print in our console. So to print in our console, we'll say sysout system.out.println. So we'll print a message with the title, whenever we visit any page. So print a message. So what would be the message? So I'm saying the message would be say Google title for first visit is, okay, is, and then what will be the title? I'm using a concatenation. So this will print, this is a string statement. It will print as it is, and then I want to print the title of this page, so current page. So what would be the the command to get a title from a current page? It's nothing, it's driver dot get title, right? So get title method will apply with your current page, and it will get the title, and then it's, since I put that title will be print with this, along with this statement. Okay, so that's very simple. That's the first things. And the second things, I said we're going to, after we landed over here, we'll go to codeinboxautomationlab.com, this site. Okay, let's copy this one. So that time we're going to use a navigate method, so driver dot navigate. You can see there's a navigate method, navigate. So we're saying, hey driver, navigate. Where to navigate? Navigate to, there is a to method. It works similarly like driver dot get method. Okay, and it's expect a string your URL. So your URL should be in a string. Okay, so we're going to navigate to this codeinboxautomationlab.com. Okay, it's similar like a get. We navigate there, and then we'll get the title for this. So let's copy the same way. We're going to get the title using the same command for this page. So we're saying, instead of Google, we'll say codeinbox title for first visit, and also this will get the title, and along with this is the print statement, and both will be print in our console. So this is the first time. And now here, let's see, right now we're here. And then next things we're going to do, we're going to click on this back arrow. So if you click on back arrow, it will take us back to the google.ca. How can we do this? So to do this, we'll use driver dot, so driver dot navigate. There's a navigate. So we're saying, hey driver, navigate to what? Back. You can see there's all the related method that comes with a navigate method, right? So here is a back. So back, it means it will click on the back arrow. Okay, so and then we're with this, we're back to google.ca, right? Let's get the title of the google.ca from there for the second time. So while I'm taking the title so that we can see, ensure it's the back arrow works, and it take back to the Google, and then we're expecting a title from the Google, so it should get us a title from the google.ca. So we're saying system.out.println Google title for second visit, right? That done. So now we're again, so back over here. So now if I use forward arrow, again click on up here, it will take us back to Codeinbox Automation Lab. So we'll do this one. So how to go to the forward again, driver dot navigate method, and dot, you'll see there is a forward method. So it will click on the forward button, which will land us to back to, or for, yes, back to Codeinbox Automation Lab, right? And then if we get the title, so it will get the title for the second time. So Codeinbox title for second visit, and this will get the title, right? So that's will get us the title, and yeah, pretty much that's it. And then after that, I can say driver.quit. Okay, so it will close the window. So what I would do, one more thing I want to do, I want to apply a thread.sleep. I want to apply thread.sleep here every time when I go to, so the thread.sleeps I want to apply here. I will put the, so after I click on forward, and then it means it will go back to the Codeinbox Automation Lab, and I can, if I use thread.sleep, so you can say it's a long milliseconds. Thread.sleeps is nothing it's a whole the script. It is a pause. It is a it's a whole the it's a JavaScript wait. It's sorry, it's a Java wait. It's a wait from the Java. It means it's a hold. It will hold your script for specific time. How long? I will tell, like if I say 3000 millisecond, 3,000 millisecond, it means it's a 3 seconds. Okay, it is in milliseconds. So it will hold our script for 3 seconds. It means when this line will be executed over here, it will hold the before it goes to the next line, it will hold our script for 3 seconds. So we can see the side. Okay, let's hover mouse. So add through declaration. It will, because it is an exception. So we added this exception, okay, to our code. So same thing, I will add thread.slips over here. So it's only the reason I am adding over here, so we can see the execution slowly. So it will give us some pause, like 3 seconds. So we'll see that after it's go back to the the google.ca, we'll able to see that page. Otherwise it will be so fast, probably will not able to track it. So it's easy to debug, it's easy to understand. That's what's where to write the code. It's working exactly that way. Okay, so save it. Let's run it. Run. Okay, so here we go. It was so quick. It's already visited. Everything is working. You saw that, right? You see this, this is the first time it's visit. In the Google title for first visit is Google, and then second it means this line. For this is the line, this is the one, it's print, and then after that it's navigate to this line, this side, and then it's print out the code and box automation title for the first visit, this one, right? And again we use the back, the navigate to back, so it's went back to the google.ca and it get the title for this line. So here's the print of the title, and again we use the forward, so it means it's back to the code and box automation lab, and this one get the title of this that same page and print it over here, right? So the reason why, I hope that you understood that why I get the title and print it, so that I see the output over here. Other than, it's going to be very difficult to monitor, track back and forth. So every time it will land on a page or back or forward, I get the title and print it over here. So this is the proof that it went there. Okay, so let's see if I want to do this, the same exercise using Firefox. So all I have to just add the call, that create an object of the Firefox driver. Right? And the same, the object reference is a driver, and the return type is WebDriver. The same logic we have covered in our previous lectures. So create an import the package related to the Firefox. Okay, save it and then run it. It should run on Firefox. Here we go. You can see google.ca, then went to the code and box, back to the google.ca, then it's supposed to go back to the code and box automation lab and wait for 3 seconds, and then it should close. Everything's right. Okay, so that's pretty much very simple, but it's very effective. The method is good to know, that how we can do the navigation in your browser back and forth. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.